Hey, it's Mishi here. Today, I'm bringing you a mouth-watering recipe that's a hit in Chinese cuisine: General Tso's chicken. It's crispy, sweet, spicy, and packed with flavor. Let's get started. Step 1. Ingredients: 500g boneless chicken cut into cubes, 1 cup cornstarch, 2 eggs beaten, 1 cup all-purpose flour, oil for frying, 3 tsp soy sauce, 2 tsp rice vinegar, 3 tsp hoisin sauce, 2 tsp brown sugar, 1 tsp sesame oil, 1 tsp cornstarch mixed with 2 tsp water, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 inch ginger, grated red chili flakes, optional green onions and sesame seeds for garnish. Step 2. Prepare the chicken. 1. Coat the chicken pieces in flour and cornstarch. 2. Dip them in the beaten eggs and then back into the flour mixture for an extra crispy texture. 3. Heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken until golden and crispy. Remove and drain excess oil. Step 3. Make the sauce. 1. In a bowl, mix soy sauce, rice vinegar, hoisin sauce, brown sugar, and sesame oil. 2. In a pan, saute garlic and ginger until fragrant. 3. Pour the sauce mixture into the pan and let it simmer. 4. Add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Step 4. Combine and serve. 1. Toss the fried chicken in the sauce until fully coated. 2. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds. 3. Serve hot with steamed rice or noodles. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tasty and healthy recipes. See you next time on Natural Living with Mishi.